Okay, Emily and Joe, this is your back living room. View out the door. We'll go back into the master. So you can see the view from those windows. As you can see, this window is right by the property line. However, your main windows in your master suite are looking right out at the pond. And your bathroom, same countertops and cabinets as the kitchen. Everything is soft close. You have the 5-foot shower and a linen closet. And then your walk-in closet in the master. It's a good sized closet, a lot of room up high, put shelves up, storage. All right, let's go outside and we'll do a walk around outside.